something that I sort of insisted on, was that I understood what was happening coming out of the speakers, how true the sound was.
Speakers that give an overall sound which is warmly detailed without being clinical.
I was able to get such clarity and hear so many layers of what I was doing on these speakers that I immediately became a believer.
The B&W 801 speaker is the only speaker that I have found that enables me to accurately listen to how the original recording has been recorded.
B&W's commitment to bringing recorded sound to life began with one man, John Bowers. Bowers' passion for sound and music drove a pursuit of perfection. He dreamt of creating speakers that would make him believe he was there, live in the studio or concert hall with the musicians. Today, Bowers' vision continues to drive everything we do. And one material sums up this uncompromising quest for perfection more than any other: diamond. It's the magic ingredient in our flagship 800 series. It's the material behind the speaker's unparalleled accuracy at high frequencies, and the reason why you'll find the 800 series at work in demanding recording studios all over the world. Now, for the first time, you can hear the remarkable clarity of diamond in every speaker in the range. Welcome to the all-new Bowers & Wilkins 800 series diamond. To help us create the ultimate tweeter dome, we turn to the experts. Element 6 develops super materials for cutting-edge engineering applications. Chemical vapor deposition allows us to grow diamond like a crystal to form the optimum tweeter dome shape. The layer of diamond forms on metal bases in a specially designed furnace. Temperature, pressure and gas flow are strictly monitored and controlled. Once the diamond has formed, it is precision cut by laser. The diamond domes are then cleaned in 4 stages in an ultrasonic tank before a platinum coating is applied to the surface. Each dome is rigorously inspected for the tiniest signs of imperfection. Only once a dome has passed every test do we give it the final seal of approval.
By using diamond, we were able to create a tweeter that breaks up at 70 kilohertz compared with a value of 30 kilohertz with the standard aluminium domes. What this means is that when you compare the response of the diamond tweeter with the perfect hypothetical rigid tweeter, the responses are very similar below 20 kilohertz. So we think there's a dramatic improvement in performance that results.
And you can hear it for yourself in the new 800 series diamond. Our mid-range driver features a material that is nothing if not versatile. Kevlar is the wonder fabric in bulletproof vests. But as B&W discovered, its ability to absorb instantaneous bursts of energy had other applications. No other cone material is better suited to disrupt the standing waves that cause coloration in the mid-range. The result is a mid-range driver that sounds cleaner and more responsive. With conventional speakers, excess sound energy emerging from the back of the drive units can affect the sound coming from the front. The 800 series is different. Nautilus tubes work like horns in reverse, soaking up sound from the back of the driver. so that all that emerges from the front is the most fully formed, focused, and pristine sound. The secret of great bass is structural engineering, giving the driver the support it needs to move with freedom and precision, even in the face of heavyweight bass. In the 800 series Diamond, a formidable triple suspension system supports a cone constructed from an advanced composite material called Roacell, light and strong enough to be used in spacecraft and performance cars. So well does it work that we need something special to cope with the air pressures inside. The flowport vent is covered with tiny dimples that cut down turbulence and keep air flowing smoothly and silently in and out of the speaker. The crossover for the 800 series Diamond is made up of a select group of exceptional, hand-picked components. It doesn't have to be big and complex, because when you have drive units this good, most of the hard work is done for you. The speaker's cabinet has its own highly sophisticated job to do, generating strength and stability from the rigid matrix inner skeleton and the curved outer shell. At our dedicated cabinet-making factory in England, state-of-the-art technology is fused with traditional craftsmanship. Real wood veneers from sustainable forests are matched by hand from only the top 10% available. The teardrop form of the mid-range head enclosure is moulded from marlan, a synthetic mineral-filled resin. When it's set, sprayed with 7 coats of lacquer and polished by hand, it's not only granite hard, but smooth as glass. John Bowers dreamed of the perfect loudspeaker, one that neither added nor took away from the sound of the original recording. With the new 800 series Diamond, we've come closer than ever to turning the dream into reality.